हेलो एवरीवन।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स।
मैं नीरज हूँ और ये है रुचिका। आज हमारे यहाँ स्नो स्टॉर्म है तो हम स्नो स्टॉर्म एंजॉय करने जा रहे हैं। पैक वैक होके अच्छे से कपड़े वपड़े ठीक पहन लिए हैं। अब कितने ठीक हैं बाहर जाके पता चलेगा।
तो ये देखिए बाहर बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंडा है। ये सुबह से मौसम ऐसा है और अभी तो काफ़ी स्नो एक्यूमुलेट हो चुकी है और अब हम रेडी हैं। सो लेट्स गो। तो अभी हम निकल पड़े हैं घर से।
हाँ,
बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। मैंने कैब नहीं ली बट मेरे पास कैब बैकअप के लिए है, तो मैं थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहती हूँ। मैंने जैकेट्स वगैरह अंदर ही पहन ली थी तो मुझे काफ़ी गर्मी लगनी शुरू हो गई थी, तो थोड़ी देर बाद शायद मैं अभी कैब ले लूँगी।
ये देखिए स्नो स्टॉर्म एंजॉय कर रहे हैं हम। स्नो स्टॉर्म में मज़ा आ रहा है।
No, it's too cold.
तो ये हमारा रेगुलर वे होता था घूमने के लिए।
अभी हम आपको दिखाएंगे छोटा सा सेंटा क्लॉज जो स्नो में पूरा कवर अप।
ये देखिए हमारा सेंटा क्लॉज जो रास्ते पे हमें मिलता है रोज। आज बेचारा स्नो में कवर्ड है लेकिन गाने सुना रहा है फिर भी। ये देखिए आपको एक नेचर का कारनामा दिखाएं। लुक एट दिस हाउ दिस स्नो इज परफेक्टली कार्व्ड आउट एज अ माउंटेन। क्योंकि हवा उस डायरेक्शन से इस तरफ है तो इसलिए ये सारी स्नो एक तरफ इकट्ठी हो रही है। इट्स पाइलिंग अप लाइक अ स्लोप। This is very exciting phenomenon. This is how the mountains are carved out and it really looks beautiful. Yeah, so let me show you the speed of the wind here. It's pretty fast and we are in the middle of the snowstorm. Look at that, look at that. You can see that how fast the snow is piling up. It's really cool. We are trying this. Look at that. Look how deep the snow is. So my entire feet is inside. You can see it. Same goes with Ruchika. So how are you enjoying this, Ruchika?
It's so cold. I'm feeling numb.
Let's go. Let's go out. Yeah. So this is extremely bad weather for driving. People are driving as you can see here. Yeah, so this is the tree. Look at its branches. They are completely submerged in ice and you can see the other things here. It's really beautiful, really awesome.
Check this out.
Oh my god. This is good, right? This is extremely beautiful. So this is our first snow in Canada and we are really enjoying this.
Yes.
What about you, Ruchika?
I am also enjoying this. I didn't expect that it's going to be that cold today, but luckily it is. And it's pretty nice to go out in this weather. And we have a coffee, which is a plus point.
Yeah, we'll sit at the viewpoint and we'll drink coffee and probably we'll also show you there. Although it's not visible, anything is not visible, but we'll try to see whatever we can. What do you say?
Yeah.
I don't want to slip here.
I don't think we can see those skyscrapers from the viewpoint today
Yeah.
because of this weather.
Yep.
But I think still I get a pretty good view.
Uh-huh. Okay. So look at these benches. The ice, the snow has taken its shape according to the wedges of the bench. We used to sit here, but today it is so frozen that maybe Ruchika can try to sit.
No, I won't. Yeah, unfortunately we can't sit today, but we can stand and have a cup of coffee here.
Yeah, so this is all frozen up. You can see this. Even the trees, you can see the snow on the branches of the tree. And let me show you a beautiful view. Now you can't even see anything due to this foggy weather and the snow. So it's completely. So this is our walkway which we take while our beautiful evening walks, but it is completely filled up with snow right now, and we are not planning to go down now. Sorry?
It's very hard to ride a bike in this weather.
Yeah, there is this one guy who is trying to ride this bike. Probably he stays safe.
I think we should get a cup of coffee and have it now. I think it's a good time to start having coffee.
Yeah,
I was
let's
waiting it for a while now.
get it. Yeah, so we have brought our coffee in insulated cups here so that we can drink amidst the snowstorm, because this will be a unique experience. Let's enjoy the weather and let's have coffee. Cheers.
Yes. So Neeraj is having a cup of coffee there,
Yes.
and he's pretty packed and I think pretty protected.
Yeah, but I don't wear gloves because I don't like gloves. They are so heavy
Yeah.
and I can't use my fingers properly, so I
I-
don't like them.
Yep.
It's okay. This is -4 degrees Celsius. We can bear that.
I think I should get my gloves. You just reminded me.
Okay. So Ruchika has finally decided to put on her gloves.
Yeah.
Why, Ruchika? Why?
Because I'm going to drink coffee. So
I'm also drinking my coffee without gloves. You can see my hands.
You are brave. I'm not. Ow.
Awesome.
Here's my coffee. Now I can drink.
Yeah.
Nice.
So now Ruchika is drinking her coffee with the gloves on, and you can see the snowstorm is worsening. It's going to be worse for at least today, and even tomorrow it's going to be snowy. But we are really enjoying this, aren't you, Ruchika?
Yes, I am.
A few moments later.
And it's pretty nice. So you see little florets, they are covered with the snow. The only problem with winters I have is that the life is dry. So you see the florets, they were blooming in the summers, but now the snow has covered them, so there will be no flowers to see. And that's sad part of the snow. You can see my trail there, the second one on this side. So in the alignment of my finger, that's my trail. Now Ruchika has just started following it.
No, I'm
Let's
not.
see.
I'm taking my own trail.
Yeah.
And you can see the depth of the snow. So here is my shoe, and you can see like this much is the depth of the snow. So it's pretty good and very satisfying.
Yeah, it's really cool, right?
Yeah, I love it. I love snow actually. You can see how good it feels.
I am enjoying this first time in the winters.
I always love it, but it's pretty hard to drive in the winter. But if you just want to go out for fun, I think it's a very good experience. This is my point of view. I don't
know about others. There are many people who don't like snow, but I love it. Yeah, I'm also enjoying this weather now. Although it's pretty hard to drive in this weather, but you remember once I drove from Chicago in snowstorm, it was really hard.
Yeah, because the road is pretty slippery right now.
Yeah, I was about to hit the police car.
Yeah,
So the cops were there standing and my car just slipped over the pavement and it was very hard to control it.
Although they take care of keeping the roads clear, but still it's very slippery in this weather.
Yeah, it's too hard to drive. But anyways, we are not driving anymore. We are just walking down the street and it's pretty nice.
As long as you have worn some nice clothes and completely covered with cloth.
I am not covered with anything. My hands are pretty... I don't think we'll get frostbite in this weather. It's just -4 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, I wore this
Yeah.
because I was having a cup of coffee at that time. I don't think I need it now. I can my hands there.
Yeah.
How amazing it is.
Yeah, this is pretty nice. We were roaming around here for about 30 to 40 minutes now, and it's getting worse. So piling up. It's estimation that we'll get around 15 centimeters. I think it's more because
20 minutes later.
We are back to home. It was pretty amazing stroll we had.
Yeah,
Did
we
you enjoy it?
Yeah, very much. So we walked for about 30 to 40 minutes around the block, and we also went to our favorite viewpoint. Although nothing was visible because of the snowy weather, but it was really a nice walk. And now we are back to our home, pretty drenched in snow. And I hope Ruchika liked it.
Yeah, I do like it. I think if we get a chance, we'll go out again. after taking some rest.
Yeah, see you next time.
Bye.
Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.